Hi, welcome to Oma's Kitchen.
Oregano.
Let's make homemade sausage gravy today. I want to show you one easy trick to make your gravy more flavorful. I'm including scrambled eggs with mine, and I've already made my easy drop biscuits. That video was posted a few days ago, in case you missed it. I add the eggs to the buttered pan, but I won't turn on the flame until I have my gravy mostly finished. For the gravy, I use a deep non-stick pan and I add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using Jimmy Dean's sage sausage, but you could use any flavor of ground pork sausage that you like. Putting it in the pan isn't attractive. Not attractive at all. I use a flat wooden spoon to break the sausage up well as it cooks over medium heat. Taking the time to break the sausage into small bits helps distribute the flavor through the gravy. I add some sage and salt to the meat. Then I will show you my one trick. The trick to really good sausage gravy is thyme. I add quite a bit of it as it's cooking. So that's my one trick to excellent sausage gravy. I add about 2 teaspoons of thyme to the meat as it's finishing cooking. The thyme gets all mixed in there with the meat and it comes out so good. Cook your sausage until the edges get caramelized and brown and a little crispy. You want that flavor in the gravy as well. Make a roux by adding 1/4 to 1/2 cup of flour to your sausage in the pan and stir it in well. This is what will thicken your gravy. Let it cook for only a minute or two once it's all mixed in. Then add in the milk, about 1 cup at a time, and stir in quickly as it sizzles over medium heat. It will thicken as you stir, and you'll be able to tell how thick the gravy is. Once the first cup thickens, add in the next cup of milk and cook it in. Do this until you get the right thickness to spoon over your biscuits. Here I turn on the fire for the eggs. This will help them get done by the time my gravy is finished. I add some salt and cracked black pepper to my gravy at this point. I will put the recipe here for you. The amounts are approximate because my grandmother taught me to do this by sight only. One of the things she taught me is that you can always add more milk, but once it's in there, you can't take it out. So add a little at a time, especially during the last few moments of your gravy. It's okay to add a little milk right at the end to thin the gravy a little bit. You want it to be able to spoon onto your biscuits. This is where you should taste test, and the gravy should stick to your spoon a little. Never put the spoon back in the gravy pot. This way you can tell if it needs salt or anything. I finish the scrambled eggs, and it all gets ready at about the same time. Here's one of the homemade drop biscuits I made earlier. I will crumble it for the gravy. These are so light and fluffy, and they crumble really well. Spoon the gravy over it. It's piping hot and wonderful. Eggs, grapes, and orange juice on the side make it a hearty weekend breakfast. Sometimes we have it as a warm, comforting winter dinner, too. A little parsley on top, and there you have it. Thank you for joining me in Oma's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll upload more tasty videos soon, and a special shout out to Moon Pie and Lil Bit. Till next time.
Oregano.